Someone rightly said, start studying all night long, because the stars of your destiny will shine only when your sleep is incomplete. These days, books are only for show. Nobody wants to read them. Everyone wishes there was a magic potion or a herb that could help them gulp down all these books in one go. But sadly, that's not possible. There can be a million reasons for not studying. Watching TV all day, getting stuck with games or Instagram, sleeping all day, or crying over someone. There are thousands of such reasons for not studying. But there's one reason that represents all these reasons. In fact, it's the father of all these reasons, and that reason is not being interested in studies. This is the biggest complaint almost every student in the country has, that they want to study, but they are not interested in it. They don't feel like studying. Always remember, my friend, only if you have the essence of books in your life will your life have any worth. Everyone understands all these things, but still, no one knows the solution to this problem. So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you 5 ways which, if you understand, will not only make your student life better, but also make studying much more interesting and fun for you. Point number 1. Stay motivated internally. Always stay motivated from within. Until there's motivation within, the body feels lifeless. And in such a state, you can't ignore a factor like studying. Until you have that energy, that zeal within you, you won't feel like doing anything in the world, let alone studying. So, the first thing you need to do in such a moment is to stay motivated from within, from your heart. That's why, whenever you sit down to study, read a motivational story beforehand. And my best advice to you would be to read at least a few pages of an inspirational book on your desk for a few minutes before you start studying your syllabus or watch a motivational video. Then sit down to study. This will awaken enough motivation in you to keep your focus on your studies for the next hour, and after the next hour, you have to follow the same pattern again. Friends, motivation never lasts forever. You have to keep it going. Point number 2. Find the purpose of your study. Find your purpose for studying, even if a rocket's speed is thousands of kilometers per hour. But if it doesn't know its destination, its speed is useless. Similarly, no matter how good or bad you are at studying, whether you study a lot or not at all, but if you don't know what your real purpose behind studying is, you'll never develop a hunger for it. For example, when we do a job, we get paid for it, which motivates us to do that work again because we know that we will get paid after doing this work. In the same way, you also need to see what your real purpose is behind studying. What do you want from studying? The answer, in a million, is a better life, a better lifestyle, socially, financially, and to be mentally strong and much more. And most importantly, to live up to your parents' expectations. So just keep these things in mind and never stop. Write these things down and read them all from the heart 5 minutes before you start studying. Point number 3. Make your mood right and organize your syllabus. Finally, keep your mood right. You'll feel like studying when your heart is happy and you see studying not as a burden but as an opportunity. When the mood is bad, it ruins our relationships. So what is this study? That's why if you want to study, first you have to improve your mood. You have to start studying with a smiling, happy, and cheerful face. Don't study under any pressure, stress, or anger. And along with this, make a good timetable for your syllabus. Always stay up to date with the syllabus. Fear less, study more. Treat the syllabus like a task and play it, just like we cross levels in any game. This will develop a challenging ability within you, and with each passing day, the fun of studying will also increase. Point number 4. Keep all distracting devices away. While studying, keep away all those devices that can distract you. If you want to focus on your studies, you have to distance yourself from all those things that distract you. Now you know better what distracts you, what sidetracks you. It can be anything. Your phone, computer, laptop, or anything. Even your friends can be a distraction. It could be your girlfriend or your boyfriend. Anything that distracts you, get rid of it immediately. And if you can't get rid of it, get yourself out of there. If we distance ourselves from the distractions in our lives, then 85% of our focus will be on our goals. You will be able to focus much better on your studies or any important work. That's why it's important to eliminate all your distracting sources from your life. You'll automatically start enjoying studying. Point number 5, join a group of high achievers. When we fall prey to the wrong company, our entire focus shifts away from the right things. So at this point, you are always distracted. You don't feel like studying at all. But if you join a group where there are always talks about studies and creativity, how will you get distracted there? And you will find such an environment only in the company of high achievers. And then see how your attention will be drawn towards studies. Friends, if you want to enjoy studying, then adopt these 5 foolproof techniques of mine. Studying will become a piece of cake. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to this channel, because you never know which line of mine might change your life. See you in the next video.